Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical path, laptop Ethernet port or a USB Ethernet adapter, and a working Cat5e or Cat6 cable. Once done, plug one end into the router or switch and the other into your laptop. Look for link lights to prove physical connection. Now open your network adapters panel so you're ready to verify status and IP assignment. This step ensures a solid hardware foundation, because without a live link, the rest of the configuration won't matter. You'll continue by confirming the adapter uses DHCP, so the router assigns IP, gateway, and DNS automatically. This is fastest and avoids configuration mismatches. If your network requires a static IP, enter the IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS that match the router's subnet so packets route properly. Make sure the adapter shows a valid IP4 or IP6 address. If you see errors or no adapter, update or reinstall the Ethernet driver. This prevents. You finish by verifying connectivity. Ping the gateway, then a public IP to ensure you have route and DNS. Once done, open a browser and run a quick speed check to confirm throughput. Make sure the OS prefers Ethernet over Wi-Fi so traffic flows on the wired link. If something goes wrong, check the link lights first, then swap cables or router ports, and finally reinstall drivers. This single troubleshooting tip usually reveals whether the issue is cable, port, or software related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.